Hello, this is Ashok from FutureNet Technologies, Chennai. In this video bite, I'm going to talk about DDoS attack, especially in Middle East and UAE sector. Last 1 year, it has been noticed and reported there's 9.4% increased financial impact because of the DDoS attack, especially in the Middle East and UAE region. And the 25% more activity compared to the previous financial year. Now, why is specifically now DDoS is getting increased? Thanks to the COVID, the hackers are targeting specifically healthcare sector to create a panic and irritation for the patients from accessing the data of the healthcare institutions. So organizations across UAE are looking at strengthening the security system, and it is expected next 1 year from already allocated budget, they are expected to increase the budget 10 to 15%. Having said that, how an organization can go about in terms of preventing a DDoS attack? DDoS attack is an integral part of any security monitoring system. Organization should be proactive and preventive rather than reactive. One of the basic ways in which this can be prevented is regular VAPT test in the data center and customer facing application, and to ensure if there is any vulnerability, have it closed. So VAPT helps to have a preventive measures on a regular basis. Apart from that, get into a firewall or the monitoring system with a provider who can provide it on a cloud based on a real-time basis, who has got an agility to respond to the security threats within a couple of minutes from the reported global attack. So such organizations can provide a complete solution to client organization from such attacks. So organizations can look at implementing a cloud-based security system, or look at putting up a full-fledged SIEM tool-based internal SOC which can collect all the data and put a responsive system to prevent and mitigate this. Trust this information would be useful to all of you. Thank you.